Hey, hello everyone, this is Rutik and it's our 35th day of Finding Job series. So let's start. Let me tell you what I did today. As usual, I woke up at 7. After that, I did some exercise, get ready, sat at my desk, and start learning. Today, I practice mock interview type of questions, and in which I found out that the question was asked mostly how we handle the API failures or like that things in production. So how we can able to handle that API failures in production. So let me tell you how we can do that and why API get failed at first in a production level. So there are lots of way or lots of level where we assume that our API get failed. So first one is I think network layer. If there is no internet or a timeout type of error, at the time maybe our API get failed. Another one is at a server layer, server gives us a bad response or is there a bad gateway like that. Another one is a client error, maybe unauthorized token or unauthorized user. Is this maybe causing the API failure issue? And another one is I think data issue, like API not gives us a proper response or it success but the structure is not well architecture or it's have many empty states like that. So these are the main four issues that cause the API failure and we need to handle that. So let me tell you how we can handle this API, how we can able to handle this API failure. There is one thing that we need to do, like first our main first priority is user experience should be good. So when our API get failed, at that time we need to show the error message properly. So user experience should be good and we need to classify that what is it actually. And after that we need to provide the retry or it should be recovery should be possible. So we need to maintain these type of things and we can say that we can handle the API gracefully, API failure, sorry. So let me tell you what are the layers or what are the levels where we can handle it, our API failures. So first one is at network level. When we fetch any API data, so we assume that this API gets success every time, but that was not the case. So we need to manage the error as well. Okay, so that was the first thing. After that, uh, when we handle the errors, when we get the errors, so we need to centralize that errors. We need to wrap in that means fetch or axios, and we need to present it well. Okay. Another one is we can say that we need to classify what is causing the error. It is network layer or it is server. If there is a network layer causing issue or a error which causing our API fail, at that time we need to provide message like your internet is not connect or we lost your connection, like that message. And if there is a server error, so we need to provide the error message or error page like something went wrong, please try again later, like that message. So we need to classify that. We need to show proper UI, like it should be the loading pages should be there, proper error message should be there, there is a retry button or a refresh button. We need to provide that kind of functionality as well, so user experience should be good. After that, for retry, okay, so I need to provide a retry or refresh type of button. At that time we use the React query or tan stack query or SWR. Actually what they did, they refresh it automatically, they store cache, and they do it in background itself, so it will be pretty useful for us. So yeah, React query, tan stack query or SWR. After that, let me tell you what we can do. So if there is any issue is occur, APIs get failed, Okay, so at the time at production, if there is any issues occurring which causing our API get to fail, at that time we need to log that issues as well. So for managing the errors or issues while in production, so we need to manage that using Sentry, where we can log our issue. So these are the main thing we can say. Like let me summarize it. First, catch the issue, centralize it, classify it like a network or server issue, show the proper UI, means and update the retry functionality. Retry function should be there, and at last we need to log our defect. What are the issue? What are the issue causing the production fail? So these are the main thing, I think, and these are the things interviewer expect from the 2+ years experience, or if they are working on the production. So we need to carefully understand what is the issue and how it means I think the answer should be like what are the things which causing issue, what we want to do, and how we want to do. So these are the main process I learn about it today. And after that I move on to the DSA part, where I am doing the two pointer approach, where I solve many problems. There is a Newt Morris KMP. Newt Morris, something is algorithm name was there. I'm not sure about that. So I learned that, and also I solved problems around it. So it was difficult for me, but yeah, I will try. And after that, I solved another 2 to 3 problems, which is easy. And after that, I had my lunch. I take 20-minute naps and a little bit of walk, and then after another means I resume my project task. So I am working on the background functionality, and means the background connectivity was not built yet, so I was working on that. I was able to means lots of things are there, so it's in progress. Yeah, maybe on this week I will try to finish it. And after that I had my communication session with ChatGPT. I learned lots of English phrases today. I also watches lots of YouTube video regarding the English, and I maintain the note as well. And I will maintaining the notes what I learned today about the English, what are the words, not what not. So yeah, that was help me. And after that I applied I think 6 to 7 jobs as well. I didn't receive any call today, but yeah, it is what it is. Let's see what happened. And yeah, that's how my day was going on. Little bit low in energy today. I feel like a Monday and Tuesday was little high. I did the lots of tasks. I didn't use phone. I read books and all. Today I didn't use phone that much, but I sit ideally lots of time. I'm not sure that is the good thing or bad thing, because I am something. Yeah, sometimes I don't want to do anything. This is the feeling, and yeah, lots of things are there, but it is what it is. We have to means cure it, or find it the way to ignore it. Yeah, so that's it for today. Bye. Let's meet tomorrow once again.